Hello viewers, I am Smita. Welcome to Karnataka kitchen. Today I am going to show you the preparation of vegetable masala rice. This is a tasty, spicy and flavorful rice dish. This is a great recipe for lunch box. Now let me begin with the preparation of masala powder. For making masala powder, I have taken 3 teaspoons of chana dal, 3 teaspoons of urad dal, 3 teaspoons of coriander seeds, 3 tablespoons of grated dry coconut, 10 red chilies, 1 small piece of cinnamon, 1 cardamom, 5 cloves and 10 peppercorns. Keep a pan on stove and dry roast chana dal, urad dal, coriander seeds, all the spices, red chilies and fry till you get a nice aroma. Now add grated dry coconut and fry for 30 seconds. Turn off the stove and allow the fried masala to cool down and then grind into a fine powder and keep aside. Now for making masala rice, I have taken 1 bowl cooked rice, 1 bowl frozen peas, 1 bowl chopped capsicum, 1 bowl chopped potatoes. Keep a pan on stove and add 3 tablespoons of oil. Now add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, quite a teaspoon hing, quite a teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chana dal, little curry leaves. Fry for few seconds. Now add capsicum, peas and potatoes. Fry for a minute. Add half glass of water. Mix well. Cover with the lid and cook. Let us check the vegetables. Vegetables are half cooked. Now add salt. Mix well. Cover and cook till the vegetables are completely done. Vegetables are well cooked and water has evaporated. Now add freshly ground masala powder and give it a good mix. Now add cooked rice and mix well. Let the masala coat the rice. Turn off the stove and add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Give it a good mix. Vegetable masala rice is ready. A tasty, spicy, flavorful vegetable masala rice is ready to serve. Thank you for watching my video.